Hi guys, welcome to By TV. I'm your embroidering assistant, Alan. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a t-shirt embroidering with a mirror embroidery machine. Before that, we need to prepare some accessories and the materials. Okay, let's introduce one by one. First, you need to prepare the stabilizer. The cutaway is okay. And a pair of the t-shirt hand reel. And a suitable t-shirt frame. This is come with the machine. And do not forget the t-shirt. Okay, now we can show you how to do that step by step. First, we need to lose the screw here. Twist it with anti-clockwise way. Take out this frame. And here, you can keep to lose it so that the frame will be much bigger. Then, we need to use a stabilizer. You need to make sure the whole stabilizer should cover all the frame. Okay, now let's go. We insert the frame under the fabric. Find the position you need. Then we put the stabilizer on the frame. Next, we need to insert this frame. And here, you need to pay attention. This one with a notch should face to the top. Okay. Push it. And now you can make some adjustment. Make sure the whole fabric will be flat. Okay, now you just need to tighten the screw here. If you want to tighten more, you can use the pliers to fix it. Now, finished. Okay, now we can start the embroidering process. But before that, we need to transfer the pattern you need to your machine. There are two options for you. The first one is USB. You can transfer the pattern from your USB to your machine. And the second one is in-stitch cloud. It is more convenient. You can directly transfer the pattern from your computer to your machine by in-stitch cloud. Today, I just show you use the USB to transfer the pattern. Okay, now let's do it. First, insert the USB to the controller port. Then, click the pattern icon and click Input so that you can see all the patterns in my USB. Okay, today I'm going to make embroidering with this logo. So I click it and then click Import. Okay, click Cancel, click Close, and then we need to select the pattern again. Click Pattern, and find the logo we import. Click Save. Alright, now you can see the pattern was shown in the screen. In this area, you can read all the information about the pattern, such like the pattern name, pattern's width, pattern's height, pattern's total stitches, pattern's total colors. And next, we need to select the suitable hoop size. Here, you need to compare with the pattern size. For this pattern, its width is 8.4 mm and the height is 77 mm. So you can select any hoop size here which is bigger than this size. So here I'd like to choose a big one, so I will select the C18. Click OK. You can see this is OK. Okay, now we can select a color. Pay attention to here. We need to make sure it is A and A. That means automatic color changing model. And then you can click color. This logo only have two different colors, so you will find only two options for you. I'd like to choose the number 14 and then number 9. Okay, then do not forget click save. You will find the logo has changed the color. Now I will show you how to install the handrail. Here you need to use a wrench. You can find it from the toolbox. We will use the number 3 wrench. Now we are going to install the right handrail. We need to find the 5th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you can connect it. If you find it cannot connect, you can use a wrench to lose the screw first. And here, I also need to remind of you, when you install the right handrail, the direction, it should face to left. Same way, when you install the left handrail, it should face to the right. Okay, now you can use a wrench to tighten the screw one by one. Okay, after installation, you can keep to use a short side to tighten all the screws again. Make sure they are tightened well. Okay, now we can install the frame. Here, you need to pay attention. This side with notch should be in the right side. Insert the frame to the handrail and push it. Make sure it was fixed. All right. Next, let's make the truss before you start the embroidering. You can click truss, select normal truss, click OK. If you find the truss is not in the center, then you can click the arrow key to adjust the position, and then make the truss again so that you can make sure the pattern is always in the center of the frame. Okay, now we have already set the pattern in the center. You just click ready and click OK. Then you will find the light will be green and click start. Now the embroidering has been finished. Let's take out the frame. Let's check the work we make today. Alright, that's all for today's video about how to make the t-shirt embroidery with the mirror embroidery machine. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it. See you next time.